Hello smart people, welcome you to Opportunity Seekers. In this video, I'm going to share with you free courses and training offered by Career Development College London. Alright, many of you might not have any courses or training and you cannot enrich your resume. So if you are willing to do online courses and training, so Career Development College in London is offering a range of courses which is completely free and certificate is also free. And some courses you will find here which is you have to pay $10 or $20, which is a just chicken fee, and you can have a professional course certificate, and that will enrich your resume. All right, how to apply for the free courses? I will show you step by step. So before starting the main sessions, I would like to request you to consider subscribing my channel, because I do upload every week some scholarship opportunities, internship opportunities, also free courses and training opportunities. So if you are really willing to improve your career and enrich your education profile, so consider subscribing my channel. We do help you all the time. So let's start the main sessions, which is applying procedure and how to get the certificates. Well, first of all, you see homepage, then we'll go to login and register first before showing the courses. How to register? All right, you will see if you already have account, so you can log in by using your email address and password. I already have it, but for you I'm just showing how to register. First of all, your first name, your last name, username, email address, password and confirm password, and your phone number, then your country, then finally register. You will get a notification. After getting notification, you have to just confirm by your mail, then you have to come to login. As I already have, that's why I'm not showing, just I'm going to show login. It is very simple. You will do it by yourself. Then your email address or username, whatever you have, then password, then if it is remember me, don't need to remember me, login. Okay, go to login. If I click the login, I will get my profile here. All right, this is my account. All right, my picture is not here. This is SM Shalom. You see, this is my dashboards. If you are the YouTuber, you might have idea about the dashboards. Here is dashboard as well: certificates, courses, quizzes, orders, settings. But we'll find first of all courses. Well, let's go to courses. All right, browse online courses categories. You see what type of courses they offer: development course, management course, IT and software, marketing, social media, business, personal development, administrative skills, career development, health, free, and CDCL membership. All right, before going to free, I'm just coming to show you that what sort of courses are they offering. You see marketing management, archiving and records management, how to start a freelance business. If you are a freelancer, you can watch this video. All right, then executive management, then marketing and automation, cold calling, paid traffic, 10K blueprint. You see, this is free. All right, if it is free, you will see here free. All right, so there are a range of courses, a lot of courses. You have to find your relevant courses. Now I'll go for free. All right, you see these courses are completely free: 10K blueprint, bodybuilding blueprint, who does exercise, membership site basics, blog authority, women in leadership, this is specifically for the women's, success principles, this is very common for everyone, intermittent fasting, email marketing basics, who are involved with email marketing, they can do it, work from home productivity. I did sign for this program, planning for success, this is growth mindset, born to succeed. All right, now I'm going to show you how to enroll for a course. For example, I'm going to enroll for planning for success, for example, for this course. Okay, if you click in here, you will see your course, then click enroll here. If I enroll here, you see it's completely free. You see it's only $100, but now it's completely free. My network is pretty slow, that's why it's taking time. All right, enroll. All right, You see here, duration is 5 weeks, lectures 9, maximum students unlimited, skill level beginner, certificate yes. You see the course has been added with my profile now. You see how many videos are here. Know where you are going by visualizing your goal, getting to know your strengths and weaknesses, taking the time to take action, holding yourself accountable for your success, setting realistic goals, carving out the time to process and regroup, taking action and evaluating your progress, learning from failure and letting go to the past. All right, these are the steps, and finally there is a quiz. 10 questions will be there. You have to correct minimum 7 to be eligible for certificates. But if you fail, don't worry about that. You will be able to retry for this exam. You can try it several times, no problem with that. You can watch videos several times, and finally if you complete it, then you will be eligible for the certificates and you will get a certificates. In this way you can enroll for a course and you can do it step by step. I'm showing you from my course list that how many courses I have enrolled from here, and how is the progress report. You can see by yourself, like, okay, let's go here, courses. All right, I'm going to my courses. Okay, my account. All right, where is my courses? You see courses. This is my courses. I'll show you the progress report. How does progress happen? Then you will be able to be confirmed that your progress is in this way. You see, planning for success, work from home activity. I'm going to show you this one. Passing rate 70%. And all right, you see, this is my course I took, and I have come to the middle. That means out of 13 I did 7, so 6 more, then I will get certificate. You see videos here. So these are the list of videos. It duration usually 5 weeks, lectures 12. I already did 7, that's why it's showing my progress level. Then skill level beginner, certificate yes. Then after finally completing your test, you will be eligible for your certificate, and you will get a certificate, and that will be shareable certificate. You can share LinkedIn, your profile, your CV. That will enrich your CV. So that's all about the career development college free courses. If you are willing to do the other courses which is not free, that is just a chicken fee, $10 or $20, you can enroll for that course and you can do it at home during your leisure and just spend 1 or 2 hours every day, and within a week you will get a certificate. So in that way you can enrich your resume, and it will help you to find a better jobs, and in this way you can develop your skills as well. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you really like this video, consider subscribing my channel. I'll be really very glad to. Thank you very much for watching once again. So I am logging out.